Just working 9 to 9, 24 hours. Women need more work than men, but it's probably because you're having babies and producing food.
Women need more work than men?
Alright, did I say work?
Sleep?
See? Sleep deprived. Women need more sleep.
Alright, so I got one more day out here before drywall. I'm working on insulation on the first floor ceiling. All the lights and everything that's on the ceiling needs to be dropped, because right now they're set up for 1/2-inch drywall, but we decided to do RC channel and then 5/8 drywall just for sound. So we're gonna have insulation, RC channel, 5/8 drywall. So we're really trying to combat the sound from upstairs. I still got insulation to do, so I'm gonna go through and just go on the insulation, and as I get to a box, lower it, insulate, lower the box, insulate, and just kind of go down the row. And then I need to finish up all the interior walls, doing all those. I got the faced bats for those. Back there you can see I got those for the walls, because then I can staple them. And then after that I got to do pocket doors, and then we'll do a little walkthrough tomorrow, Anna and I, make sure that everything's good to go, everything's exactly where we want it, because once the drywallers start, there's really no turning back.
Okay, Jordan, while I was with the kids, what did you end up doing?
You wanted this a little bit smaller, so we framed that in, and then we had to fur this out because our tub was 2.5 inches short of the framing here, so we had to fur it out with some 2x3s, which are kind of funny.
Because the pan was smaller than the
smaller.
opening.
Yep. I just have to finish anchor bolting these interior walls to the ground, because that never got done.
Oh yeah, because you anchor bolted that, and then you're doing this wall and this wall.
Yep.
So you got it all level, square.
Yeah, this one's square now. I haven't been filming myself work because I'm rushed.
Yeah.
I have a ton of shit to do. But this thing, I anchor bolted this thing too. So it's, you know, the bottom's rock solid. After that, shop's done, and then go to the cabin, and in there I gotta finish insulation. I have a little bit of wall insulation to do. What else though? Oh, and then the pocket doors.
Oh yeah. What'd you say?
Okay, another pocket door done. So that's 1 and 2. So I got drywallers starting tomorrow. So I'm gonna build just a little temporary railing here just for fall protection, because you know, if one of them were to get hurt, it would come down to me. But I want to build it in a way that it's not hanging over, because they're gonna end up drywalling that. So I'm gonna build it like an angle brace kind of deal. So yeah, I'm just gonna build that real quick. This way they can keep working. I work with this in place. That thing's freaking sturdy. And here too, you can drywall up this. Hi. Big quick kickoff. Eskimo kiss. Hey, June, you scream and you're gonna get off that thing.
June, it's my turn.
All right, so we are about to head out. We're wrapping up a very long, hectic day. Got everything done that we needed to. Every single interior wall is insulated. All the insulation in both buildings is done. You can see the pocket doors are in. All the rigid foam and the headers are all done. Everything's done. We did a walkthrough, made sure that everything is in its place and we're not overlooking anything that we might have missed for the drywallers. We thought we were going to have plenty of time to do all this, but here we are at the end of the day, the night before the drywallers start, so it was down to the wire. But man, it feels really good to be able to hand the project off to obviously somebody that we're paying, but somebody who's going to make a lot of progress in a little amount of time. So stay tuned.